Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add background image in WordPress. Let's get started. You can actually do this by using the Elementor editor. So in here, I have in here opened my page that I want to edit. And now I've already added in here a container by clicking on this container option right here. And you can head over and see that I already made in here my container. So on this container that we have created, you just need to head over and add some things for this particular container. So let's try to add in here an image. And as you can see, this will be added. Alternatively, you can head over and add in your heading or your text first before adding your image. So what we can do in this case is let's head over and add in here a heading first. And then let's put in here a heading for welcome to our store. So let's put that. And then you can also change up the colors or color scheme of this particular thing. So for example, let's make this into the color of pink as well. As you can see, it's been added like that. And then let's put it on the center. Now in here, you can also choose in here the typography that we have. Just head over and then make this primary or anything you want. And you can also blend it if you want to as well. Next thing we need to do is we need to head over and then just click on our container that we have. Now let's proceed to add another container and then click on the style. And then in here you can see the background, and in here let's choose in here an image for the background, or you can also choose slideshow, gradient, or anything you want. I'll head over and select my image right here. So for this one, I'll head over and then just use this image and click on this create new gallery and insert gallery for this particular container. Now, as you can see, we have now this background. So we can head over and add some things for this container, like for example, this heading that we have right here. So let's copy all of the elements that we have right here, and then let's add in here a heading. Then as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. Now you can just paste in here the heading that we have just created, and we can head over and then just delete this one that we have for now. So once you have done this, you should be good to go. So head over and click on this update right here in order to update your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because that's reach more people. See you soon.